Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to hide white or black bar at bottom of the iPhone. Okay, first things first, we just need to navigate to the settings application on your iPhone. Locate and open the settings app on your device. Once you are in the settings app, just scroll down until you find the control center option. Then tap to open it. Within the control center, you'll just need to scroll down again until you find the guided access option. Tap the plus sign next to it to add it to your included controls. Make sure also to enable the access within apps option as well. This setting will allow you to use guided access in your various applications. Now, just close your settings app and open the application of your choice. In our example, we are inside a game where you can see the black or white bar at the bottom of the screen. To activate the guided access, just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. And there, you'll find the guided access button. And just tap it. After that, you'll be redirected to the guided access settings screen. And in here, enable the option at the top of the screen. Before you proceed, you can also customize the guided access settings. Just tap the options section on the bottom left to edit some of the options. Once you are satisfied, just tap Done. Now, press the Start button located in the top right corner of the screen. You'll be then prompted to enter a code. This passcode is required to exit guided access. After entering the passcode, the black or white bar at the bottom of your screen will then disappear. You can now freely use your app or play your game without the distraction of that bar. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now hide white or black bar at the bottom of iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.